Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Wednesday, Hump Day, April 11th. We made it so far this week. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends over at Carvesky, I do believe. The link is going to be down below. 25% off if you use the code down below. That is also going to be listed. And I got to offer you guys. Here we go. This should be interesting. Boom. Whoops, sorry about that. There we go. Got the box out. Got another box. Oh boy. Got a box inside of a box. Oh man, here we go. Drop it up. It goes up, down, right there. There we go. There's that. And this is gonna be, oh boy, another box. Oh, nicely low package. Ooh, check this out. Pull this out of here. Boom. We got a combination of sound and light, cool life. 10 hours of jamming. Attractive appearance, colorful lights, perfect sound quality. I'm going to be testing the sound on my Instagram just because of the copyrighted material. If you guys want to travel over there, easy to find me, the Stout 79. There we go. Here's good stuff. Remote, dimming colors, lighting, line in, USB, FM radio, TF card. Where do we open this from? But hopefully everyone's alright. Everybody is safe. There we go. Let's get this rocking and rolling. Whoa. Here we go. Oh. There we go. Oh, these are really cool. I'm gonna take this out of the plastic. Show you guys behind. There we go. Hey, yeah, a lot of stuff on it. There we go. A lot of features. Here's the backing. Yeah, off, on, mode, dimming mode, TF card, aux, USB, play. I'm not sure what that could be. Something. And there we go. This is the front. We got the tweeter. It's 2 mini subs. Nice plastic. Like I said, the 25% off code is down below. Let's turn this thing out.
Bluetooth mode.
Jeez. Came out of nowhere. I'm gonna have to shut the lights. Maybe show you guys. Oh, maybe not. That's pretty cool. Yeah, let me shut the lights off. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Should be different colors. It changes until it's cool. Where's the remote? There's the remote. Nice portable size for your shelf at your dorm, man cave, bedroom, bathroom. Here's that. Oh, okay, green. Blue. I like the blue one. Got the red, green, blue, green. That.
AUX mode.
Whoa.
Bluetooth mode.
That was loud. Does work. So, but if you guys want to hear like a song, I'm gonna be playing one on Instagram, but not on here. So sorry about that. I wish I could, but do the copyright stuff and all that good stuff. Keep it clean. But check them out, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good night, and I will probably see you guys back tomorrow. If not, be safe and have a good weekend. See ya.